If you are thinking about starting a newsletter in 2026, two names will keep coming up: Beehiiv and Substack. Both are strong platforms, but they are built for different goals. So in this video, I will break down the real differences and help you decide which one fits you best. And if you like simple tech comparisons like this, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. Overview. Beehiiv is built as a growth-first newsletter platform. It gives creators tools for automations, advanced analytics, paid subscriptions, digital products, and even an ad network, all in one place. It is made for people who want to grow and monetize seriously. Substack is more of a publishing platform. It is designed for writers, podcasters, and creators who want to publish content easily. It includes newsletter delivery, podcast hosting, and a built-in discovery system that helps people find your content. It is especially good for creators who want to start fast and keep things simple. When it comes to features, Beehiiv is the stronger tool. It gives you more control over growth, monetization, and audience management. Substack keeps things cleaner and simpler, but that also means fewer advanced tools. For ease of use, Substack wins. You can get started very quickly without dealing with too many settings. Beehiiv is still user-friendly, but it feels more like a full toolkit, so there is a bit more to learn. For growth, the difference is clear. Substack has a built-in discovery network, which can help new creators get found. Beehiiv does not rely on discovery in the same way, but it gives you stronger growth tools like referral programs, analytics, and audience segmentation, so you can scale more intentionally. For monetization, Beehiiv has the edge. Substack takes around 10% from paid subscriptions, while Beehiiv does not take a platform cut. Plus, Beehiiv gives you more options like ads and sponsorship tools. For branding and customization, Beehiiv is again the better choice. It gives you more control over your website, emails, and overall brand. Substack is more limited and keeps everything looking similar across newsletters. So here is the simple answer. Substack is better if you want the fastest and easiest way to start writing and publishing. Beehiiv is better if you want more control, more growth tools, and a stronger long-term monetization setup. In one sentence, Substack is a publishing platform while Beehiiv is a growth platform. That is the comparison. If this helped, hit subscribe, like the video, and check the links in the description for both platforms. See you in the next one.